Hey everyone, welcome to my video. In this video I am going to show you how to activate Realview. Let's open a new SolidWorks document part, and as you see I don't have a Realview option in my computer because I'm using an old cheap laptop. And now we are going to activate. We should open registry editor first, and from here we go our registry editor. Because I close my options, I want to show you again. Under this option we open software, and then later we go SolidWorks 2016. Here we come to performance, graphics, and the current. Under the current we should copy this name, value data. We said okay, and then now we are coming to GI2 shaders, and under NV40 we go here, change one address name, for example Quadro FX 1500, rename, putting here the name that I copied from other file, rename, paste, and okay. Everything is okay now. We are just going to open and close our program and then see again what happened. We are waiting. Yes, we open it and we create a new part again, and now on plane and I put here a circle, let's say 100mm, .25, and now we have Realview option in our computer. That was all. Thanks for watching. I hope it helps.